what's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here in Pooler, Georgia with Robert Simmons paying forward riding course. So he's right there with some preloaders that stopped by. One is from Georgia itself, and the other guy is from North Carolina. And there's another guy there that's from Tennessee. But there's only 2 riders today. I just came to like check it out, you know, how it is, check out the place, because I've always seen it on video. So I decided to come by, check it out. I only live like 10 minutes away from where Robert does his videos. So I was like, you know what, I'll stop by, check it out, see how it is, you know, check out the riding course, record a little bit, and show some support. I will definitely be doing another day the riding course with him as well. Like I said, I'm here only 10 minutes away, so I'm just gonna stop by and see what's up. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you guys the bikes for the guys here, and yeah, here we go. This guy says he has his bike 10 months and he's already got 17,000 miles in 10 months.
I stopped at, I thought I was gonna have enough gas. I was kind of watching my little meter going, okay, I should have enough to get here. Yeah. To the track.
10 months, guys. 17,000 miles.
So I was about 10 miles
10 months? 17,000 miles?
It started just dropping off.
Wow.
Let me flick it and see exactly what I've got. I may be lying to you.
That's impressive.
That's the first after 3 hours. My feet did not work. I was like,
You just got it, huh?
no.
Last November.
Wow. Look at that.
2000 road pressure. Remember they used to have that fuel gauge on the pan?
Yes. Yeah. But they never worked right.
That's
My
true.
Dyno had that.
15.5.
Oh, wow. Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, right there, guy.
Yep.
15,000, 10 months. Look at that. Beautiful.
Low on fuel, just pull up the drive and wave your hand.
Can I just take a quick picture?
I was hammered
Beautiful
down
bike.
75 miles an hour.
It's a nice color.
Guys, come on in for a picture.
Made it to the gas station somehow.
Just gotta chuck it along. Yeah.
They're gonna do a picture right there
Jamie,
with the preloader.
Head and eyes straight ahead. Always. Help keep your balance. Outstanding. Let me see that. Keep it loaded. Good. Now listen to the engine. Right here we go. Good. I'm always learning something.
The second one you did.
Beautiful. Like you can dip it like this. It's like ballet dances out here. I say it all the time. Nice. Stop. Make sure it's here. Cover the rear brake. Preload, keep it loaded.
right down, man.
So here we got Robert Simmons paying it forward. Make sure you follow him on YouTube. We'll explain your channel for a little bit.
Oh, this is a very easy explanation of my channel. The name of the channel is called Robert Simmons Paying It Forward. The main goal of this channel, well, first let me say I'm a retired NYPD Highway Patrol motorcycle lieutenant. The goal of this channel is to share my knowledge, experience, and training that I received from the NYPD motorcycle unit with you guys, the motorcycle riding community. And I primarily focus on riding these motorcycles slow because that's the skill most motorcycle riders lack. And it's the most important skill because that's the skill that means you're the boss of your motorcycle. And by the boss, I mean you actually know how to ride it. You're in control 100%, you're not intimidated, and you know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, all right? So we're not out here doing tricks, stunts, nothing crazy. Right turns, left turns, U-turns. That's what we do, right? Something that everybody should know how to do and be comfortable doing it. And this is a fully positive channel. Everything about this channel is positivity. Anything negative, no, you don't want, there's no place for you here, all right? So Robert Simmons Paying It Forward, my Facebook group, Preload and Keep It Loaded, and Instagram. Everything positive. So if you're not practicing on your motorcycle, you're doing yourself a disservice. And if you have the audacity to put another human being on the back of your motorcycle, you're definitely doing them a disservice because everything is okay until it's not. And if you don't practice, when something comes up, you're just going to panic because you don't have anything to resort to. So come on down here, practice with us if you want, or at least watch the videos and just take the stuff that you see and put it into play. Practice, because practice breeds confidence, guys. That's what we're all about here, raising confidence levels. And a confident rider is not only a safer rider, but a rider that's going to actually enjoy riding their motorcycle that much more. And I'm telling you guys, I'm guaranteeing you, you're going to enjoy riding your motorcycle more when you actually know how to ride it. All right? You're never going to hear me saying, look at these duck walkers. And no, see, I'm testing out the endurance of your deltoids. You're never going to hear me using disparaging remarks or putting anybody down. There's no arrogance here. I don't think I know everything, but I know how to talk to people. I know how to relate to people because I know when I first started this, oh my gosh, I just couldn't get it. But the more you practice, the better you'll get, all right? And you don't have to be a motor officer. This is not about dragging your floorboards. It's not about making 18-foot U-turns. It's not about that. Just want you to be comfortable, all right, guys, and have fun.
Thank you, Robert Simmons.
You're going to learn to ask me for a question, man, because you're going to get a lot.
Oh, for sure. Thank you, Robert. Thank you for coming through here and doing the thing. All right, guys, make sure you follow him at Paying It Forward, Robert Simmons on Instagram and YouTube. I'm going to link the link right here below. Make sure you follow him, all right? Make sure you definitely ride your bike. Don't let it sit in your garage and just do anything. Just make sure you ride. Put those miles on that bike. All right, guys? Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about Mr. Robert Simmons. All right? Talk to you soon. Peace.